It's not unusual for children to have one good meal, one fair meal, and one poor meal a day. All of it ultimately averages out to a fairly decent amount. Hi, I'm Dr. Altman. Parents often ask me what to do about their picky little eaters. Between the ages of 1 and 5, kids typically start eating less because they aren't growing as fast as they were in the first year of life. And many will refuse to try new foods or suddenly reject foods they previously liked. Or they want the same food over and over. The good news is picky eating typically doesn't lead to poor health or nutritional deficiencies. Here are some tips to handle your picky eater. Don't force your child to eat. Mealtime will become one of the worst times of day if you do. Know that your child's likes and dislikes may change day to day or month to month. Have faith in the law of averages. It's not unusual for children to have one good meal, one fair meal, and one poor meal a day. All of it ultimately averages out to a fairly decent amount. Make it a habit to offer healthy food and let your child eat as much or as little as she wants. This will avoid unnecessary mealtime battles and encourage healthy eating habits for life.